If you get animals who are infected deliberately.
Hi, I'm Laura Ann. Will you be an angel and give a voice to some helpless doggos? Tony Fauci is spending over $424,000 on cruel and unnecessary experiments on beagles.
Healthy beagles are given an experimental drug and then intentionally infested with flies that carry a disease. This process is known as maximum pain experimentation, and FOIA documents reveal the animals suffered horribly from being eaten and gnawed raw until infected. Fauci's budget has ballooned to over $6 billion in taxpayer funding annually, at least half of which is being wasted on more questionable animal experimentation like these deadly and unnecessary beagle tests and other maximum pain experiments. Fauci needs to be held accountable for this staggering waste and abuse, both overseas and right here at home.
End the malpractice. End the animal abuse. End the Fauci tyranny. Join me in saying truly and sincerely, fuck you, Tony. Call his office's direct extension, shown on the screen here, and let him know what you think. Raise your voice. Save an innocent dog's life. And join the fight against inhumane animal testing.